Racing Jazz is started with Golden Hands break quickly to start. Rushing up is Lucky Julian. On the outside now is Pangalusian. Island in between horses. Full Metal Jacket. Tango. Echo. Kate comes next. And going along for the first turn, we have Pangalusian Island by about 2 lengths. Full Metal Jacket in second. Lucky Julian running by the rails. Golden Hands. The next on line is Señorita Ruta. Tango. Echo Kate, then followed now by Warrior Flame. Then comes Panatag Schultz. Racing down the back stretch, we have Pangalusian Island by over a length, and in second is Full Metal Jacket. Rushing up now on the outside is Señorita Ruth. Lucky Julian is racing in fourth, and in fifth comes Golden Hands. Then next on line is Warrior Flame. And at the fourth turn, we have Pangalusian Island is still in control, leads by a length, and in second remains Señorita Ruta. Lucky Julian now entered, then comes Full Metal Jacket. As they swing to home, we have Pangalusian Island by a length and a half, and in second is Señorita Ruta. Last 100 meters, we have Pangalusian Island with double wrap over Señorita Ruth, and finally Pangalusian Island. Señorita Ruth Raibago, then comes Full Metal Jacket, Warrior Flame, and Lucky Julian.
Bayan race number 1, ang ating pong unofficial winner, 12A, that is Pangalusian Island, skippered by FM Donoy Raquel Jr. Masasigundo po, numero 5, Señorita Ruth, 9A, na si Raha Bago, numero 6.